This is our story of hope, struggle, and joy. We had two choices, either to live an ordinary, dissatisfied existence and continue to crib about chaos at work and lack of empathy, or to start afresh, experiment new, bring about a transformation, and live an extraordinary life. We chose the second. All of us have a vast wellspring of potential talent that we need to bring forth and utilize to create wonders at work. Our story is about that dream. It was an ordinary start with extraordinary dream. We simply wished to revolutionize the world of work, to witness wonders at work by making work life more joyful, more creative, productive, and backed up with technology. We worked hard to turn that dream into reality.
इतने अच्छे थे ना कि लाइक आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड्स इट्स लाइक बहुत अच्छे थे तो एज
Creative quantum, which is beyond. I don't know how to express this, but we're just too much excited about it.
Yes. Work happily.
Okay. Hi.
We wanted to prove that happy work culture is the foundation that determines success. With the excitement, there was a fear of failure too, as starting something new requires lot of courage, particularly when we did quit our good paying jobs to pursue our dream of happy work culture. Turning back pages of our story, we can still feel the thrill and excitement that ran through on the first day of our start. But was it easy? Know more about our journey, jerky yet adventurous.
It's a journey of walking through the odds. It's a story of hope. To experience how the journey was, we need to go back into the past. Into the year 2012, when small activities boosted our morale. And we laid the foundation even before we launched.
Our pre-formation stage has various elements. It has an element of poetry. Our vision document was simply a poem, Seed of Change. Second was the element of creativity, which manifested in the form of a calendar. The launch event proved to be a great booster for thinking about starting a company with a creative vision. Third element was empathy that we learned while working for underprivileged. It was an eye-opener. Fourth was the expertise of team with rich experience and a course from Harvard Business School. All these elements formed our company's core values. With these values, we finally registered as Creative HR Quantum Private Limited, meaning bringing forth creative potential that we all possess. And in the year 2016, we started our operations. And the journey begins. Like many companies started from a garage, we happily started from our small corner, so-called home office. But the road ahead was not that easy as it sounds.
Several distractions while working from home was quite a challenge.
But keeping our dream in sight, we made our way through.
Soon we moved to a bigger office complex, as in our dreams.
Our next challenge was to hire a dream team. We decided to hire people with the seeking spirit, as we were confident that we will utilize the unique talent that everyone possesses. And finally, we got the people on board to set the momentum. Challenges didn't end. There seemed an unending delay in our website by a vendor. But soon we could leverage the talent of our in-house team and formed our own expert technical team. Culture is the key. Every person has the heroic potential for extraordinary achievement. It was the culture that could drive us through challenging times towards a brighter future. It's a dream come true when we recall precious words from our employees.
Since I've worked with other places, I am confident and I can say this with 100% surety that this is the best place I've worked till date.
The spirit, the aura that the company has to always maintain happiness quotient high and to inspire others and to achieve excellence. It should be qualitative rather than quantitative. Or both, obviously. So, yeah.
You know, if I be into HR someday, I would like to be that kind of a boss.
There is no stress, there is you can work happily.
Okay, great.
And it was really a nice experience. I got to learn a lot. I got many chances to come ahead and explore. So
good to be a part of the Creative HR family. And yeah, as you mentioned.
Our workstations were filled with colorful sheets, to-do list, fun board, gaps, activities sheets, and so much fun.
हमने इतने अच्छे ओपनली अपने व्यूज शेयर किए हैं, क्रिएटिविटी इतनी आ गई है और मेनली लाइक इतना इंटरेक्शन होता है. I got my own role in this company, so it was like so good for me.
We have been working so happily. There is always fun at this place. Our team is very happy. They promote happiness.
The creativity, like you are allowed to be creative in every aspect that you wish to be.
Alright. There was not even a single day where we felt pressurized, where we felt stressed. In fact, we used to think of creating serious hours. So it has, all in all, it was a very happy experience.
There was free flow of creativity in every idea and every thought or every process that we had to be a part of or we had to pursue.
This is the best place I have, been to, and I just want to be here. I promote this place. I want more people to come here and work if they want to work stress-free in their lives.
It was the culture. That allowed openness, gave birth to creative ideas, made us empathetic, and kept us going through tough times. We searched for real life problems that we could solve through creativity, technology, and learning. Our ideas started translating into services and products. In 2016, we visualized the concept of creative class based on real-life scenarios using fun tools. We also added hiring. Next year in 2017, we added talent showcase products, smart CVs, as we closely observed real challenges faced by job seekers. In 2018, when many job seekers expressed their desire to start their business, we decided to help them with special training. Then we gradually added more options for startups to make their journey easy and enjoyable. We also added essentials under all-in-one package.
All our services and products resulted from ideas built over culture. These ideas were the result of our fervent wish to help others. So that their journey does not become that difficult, and we kept on expanding our network of help.
We had a long way to go, and the challenges didn't seem to end. While we rejoiced at getting first few clients and orders, we soon realized few clients didn't pay. Some were fake. Office expenses kept on rising, and we had limited reach. But with our dream to transform people's lives, we worked with even more vigor and dedicated ourselves to building a happy culture. It was the culture that could drive us through challenging times towards a brighter future. We never lost sight of our dream. We channelized our energies to bring more enthusiasm, fun, creativity, and results.
We should run after our goal.
Okay, sir.
Done.
We worked day and night towards our dream of making people's life more joyful and simplified. To our surprise, empty rooms got filled with participants. There was unbelievable enthusiasm in the air with a spirit to learn.
Okay. And I will touch the sky. I will touch the sky.
Participants queued up in huge numbers. Events and training programs were conducted one after another. There was so much joy in the eyes of every participant.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आने पर क्योंकि एक अच्छी एनर्जी और फीलिंग है और everybody is smiling, eager.
Ma'am, have a startup camp.
Oh, startup camp. अब तो startup करना ही पड़ेगा.
And it's a really good effort. I want you to just organize the same thing in Gurugram because right now, our office is in Gurugram. So your team can really inspire many people over there who are just thinking, and if you have a really good team who are focusing on this thing only. Whenever we meet somebody one-to-one, we encourage them, okay, do it. There's nothing to worry.
Wonderful experience, and today I'm glad that I came here. I could make it in the morning, and I had a wonderful experience. I got to learn a lot, and I was so happy that I could present my views and also get to listen to others' perspective, because sometimes your own perspective might cheat on you, but others' perspective might not cheat on you. So after hearing a lot of perspective, I also realized that people are dealing with their own problems, and everybody has now come out of a shell. So everybody had their own shell in the beginning. I think everybody's broken that shell and come out today. So it was a wonderful experience for all of us, and I think we all deserve a huge round of applause for each
मुझे
other.
यहाँ पर आया तो काफ़ी डर सा लग रहा था, बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा था, पता नहीं कहाँ आ गए, कहाँ बुरी सी जगह है। पर जैसे स्टार्ट हुआ करियर गोल बहुत अच्छा लगा, और सबसे पहली चीज़ पता चली कि इंटरव्यू से डरना नहीं है। क्यों डरना है? क्योंकि अपने बारे में बताना है, तो अपने बारे में किसी को बताना है तो क्यों डरना है? अपने बारे में जो किया है वही बताएंगे, क्यों बोलेंगे? तो अपने बारे में किसी को बताने से डरना नहीं है। दूसरा जो टेक्निक्स है, अगर कहीं भी इंटरव्यू, जैसे कि मैंने इंटरव्यू अपना जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में आपको बोलने के लिए आया था, तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट हो गया था। मैं रिजेक्ट हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ एडवांस प्रिपरेशन नहीं थी।
की प्रॉब्लम कहाँ थी?
और जो दूसरी प्रॉब्लम थी वो कॉन्फिडेंस की थी। तो अब आज जो प्रॉब्लम आई थी अपन नर्वसनेस और लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हो गया, नर्वसनेस खत्म हो गई है। तो अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में काफ़ी अच्छा होगा।
इंटरव्यू सबसे हार्ड पार्ट होता है, बट आज मतलब जितना इंटरेक्ट किया उससे पता चलता है सबसे इजी पार्ट है एक्चुअली। बस जो हमने किया है उसको प्रेजेंट करना और कुछ नहीं।
उसमें भी इंटरव्यू होगा तो मैं वैसे तो उसी की वजह से आई थी यहाँ पर कि देखूँ कि क्या इंटरव्यू से सभी बोलते हैं इंटरव्यू में निकल जाते हैं, प्री हो जाए मेंस हो जाए, इंटरव्यू में निकल गए। तो मैं उसी के लिए आई थी, तो अब लग रहा है कि शायद मैं हैंडल कर सकूँ इंटरव्यू।
वंडरफुल।
Our programs brought smiles, confidence, and visibility to several participants. We got 10,000 plus newsletter subscribers who trained 300 plus individuals, which includes 60 plus startups. We got clients not only in India but overseas as well. we could finally bring about some change in people's lives. A startup's life is not easy. There are low moments when you feel nothing seems to work. Expenses soar high. There is a pressure of proving your startup's worth. So, how did we manage? Happy work culture is the sun of hope.
And it's not that we are just happy and we're doing fun. At the end of the day, we complete our target. We deliver our work also. So we are happy.
In recruitments, we closed 4 positions in 10 days. That is something very remarkable, not just for us as a company, in the HR industry itself.
We conducted so many programs and I actually developed some confidence after working over here.
हमने events भी किए साथ में like interview program and we also work for startup also. हाँ, it was nice experience. Nice experience. We also visited place. We did marketing, back and all work, advertising. many things. सेक्शन की मैम ही ट्रेनिंग देंगी. हम भी वहाँ अपने व्यूज शेयर कर रहे थे. So it was wonderful.
मैं आया तो मैंने कई सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर की, स्पेशली द इवेंट्स, startup events and skills training, where I get to learn many new things like coding. And there are many things that I get there, especially the confidence.
उन्हें अच्छे से ना कि like I can't explain in words. It's like वो लगे हुए. तो as a workplace I want कि हर जगह हो और ऐसे मतलब सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है वहाँ पे. तो ये कंपनी कभी नहीं भूलेंगे हम. ये कंपनी कभी नहीं भूलेंगे हम.
That makes you stand apart. Make your talent hold yours. You fulfill your dream fast. Greedy venture quantum, settings in momentum. Greedy venture quantum, settings in momentum. You turn a single journey, pull it fast. To bring a revolution that will never last. Greedy venture quantum settings in momentum.
All of us have a vast wellspring of potential talent that we need to bring forth and utilize to create wonders at work. We worked hard to turn that dream into reality. Now it's your turn. But this time we have made it easier for you. Our next mission, post-COVID era, is to simplify people's lives. E-Simplify through training and website. In this post-COVID era, it's all the more important to unleash our potential, add more credibility. With training, you can express more, save more, earn more, seek more expertise, Catch hold of the passing time. Stay motivated and add more meaning to life. Training can do so much to your life. Knowledge is everything, but not enough. Your talent needs to be searchable over web. To be discovered by people who wish to reach out for help. All of us have a potential lying latent in our lives. Training will help rise up our potential. But our journey shouldn't end here. We need to reach out to places by building a strong web presence. Are you ready to come along? A bright future awaits you.